Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen, and this is the one that we've been waiting for, isn't it? Yeah, we've been making some things over the last few episodes and they've all been in preparation for this one. So what we're making today, Isabella?
Cake?
Yeah, big spooky cake. So in our last episode we made some pumpkins using donut holes, and we made some spooky donut hole eyeballs. Stop eating it all. And last week we also made a chocolate hand using a homemade silicone mould. So what we've done in preparation for the video is we've bought some green edible spray paint and we've sprayed it all over and let it dry. So this is going to be going on top of our cake as the centerpiece. Now, to make the batter for the cake, you can check out one of our previous videos where we made a sponge cake, but essentially it's 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of room temperature unsalted butter and 2 eggs. So for the recipe, the size of recipe that we're using, because we're going to be doing 8-inch cake tins, we're going to be doing 3 of them. So we're going to have 800 grams of the butter, 800 grams of the self-raising flour, 800 grams of the caster sugar and 16 eggs, and that'll give us a nice good mixture. We'll put the recipe in the description and we'll also put a link up at the top here so you can check out how we made the sponge cake last time, just so you know the order of how to mix it all together. We've also made in preparation some chocolate frosting.
What's the chocolate from?
That's for the cake. And we've made a smaller batch of pink frosting. Okay, so we've got quite a lot to do to decorate this cake, and as we've already done an episode on sponge cakes before, we've already made the sponges in preparation. So essentially what we've done is we've used an 8-inch cake tin to make 3 sponges. And we've cut down the tops. So we've got 1, 2, and a third one. And all we've done to make it this size is we've put a bowl on top of the sponge and cut down around the bowl. Now you may be wondering, why is it green? So what we've done is, when we made the cake mixture, we added food colouring to the wet mixture before we added in the flour, and that's all it is. What you're going to want to do is add a little bit of food colouring at a time because it is quite strong, and just keep on mixing it into that wet mixture, and then you'll know what colour it's going to be, because it's not going to change much from the colour that you create there. And then you can add your flour in, put it in the oven, and when it comes out it should look like it did when you had it mixed into the wet mixture. So we've got our cake stand here. Yeah.
We've got a little cake stand.
And what we're going to do is we're going to place one of these larger sponges at the bottom.
No, the little one goes at the top of the big one, then
That's right.
little.
That's right, yeah. So, we're going to use our chocolate frosting now to completely cover this one and to give us our filling in the middle there, because we're going to be using frosting between each of our layers. We've got one of these. This will allow you to put the frosting onto the cake, and then we've got one of these. So if you've got one of these turntables, these come in very handy because you can put it against the table and turn it like this, and what it does is takes off all the excess frosting and leaves you with a nice smooth coating. Is it nice? Okay, so for our chocolate frosting, what we've done is we've done frosting before, but just for a quick recap, it's 1 cup of unsalted butter for every 4 cups of caster sugar, and then we've added another cup of cocoa powder in there. So we put our dollop of frosting on there for the middle layer to sit on. You're going to put it on? That's it. Perfect. And just try and get it into the middle of the cake, have a look at it from all angles, and try and get it as flat as possible. If you've got any little bits there without any frosting in, do not fear.
We do.
We do, don't we?
Oh, got some more.
Got some there?
Some more. And some here.
Where?
Here.
Okay. Doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to be frosting around the outside, but it's just so that everybody gets a nice even amount in each slice. Okay, so is that looking level to you?
Yeah.
This middle one's very, very important. Yeah, that's looking good to me as well. Did I make you jump there? That's it. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've done the middle one there, and we're going to put some more frosting on top, and we're going to put our top layer on there, and then we're going to do the frosting on the middle section, and then we're going to do the frosting on the top. So like I said, the middle section is going to be the pink frosting, and the top section is going to be chocolate again, and then we're going to put our eyeballs around here. And stop eating all that frosting. You're cheeky. And then we're going to put our pumpkins and our hand on top, and we'll show you that in a second. Okay guys, so we're going to do the same with the top now. We're going to put an even coat of frosting like we have at the bottom, and then we're going to do our middle section pink. Are you ready for it? Yeah, come on then. Okay, so that's all of the chocolate frosting done. And we're going to fill the middle layer with our pink frosting. Okay guys, so really happy with this. I hope you like what we've done, and I just want to say, Isabella, I am really proud of you, because to try something like this, we've only been doing these baking episodes for around 2 months, and we've been baking since Isabella was really young, but I mean cupcakes and cookies at the most, and we've tried to push ourselves doing these episodes and try and make things a little bit bigger, a little bit better, kind of show that you can do anything if you put your mind to it. And so, as always, thank you very much for watching another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. It's been absolutely brilliant so far. We love making every single episode, and we hope to make so many more as well. Thank you so much for everybody who's watched us to this point. You can check us out on Instagram. It's isabellas.kitchen.adventures, and if you send us your pictures of anything you're making over Halloween, any cakes you're making, there's a chance that you might get your picture shown in one of our future videos. So that's isabellas.kitchen.adventures. So we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode, and we can't wait to see you then. Bye!
Bye!